Hello everyone from Elif's Kitchen. Today, I would like to share with you the recipe for a red beet meze that will become one of your favorite appetizers with its incredible taste. Let's slice 3 red onions into thin rings using a slicing tool as shown in the video. If you prefer, you can finely slice them on a cutting board. Slice 4 to 5 cloves of garlic into thin rings as well. Next, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan. Add the sliced onions and garlic on top. Sauté over medium heat, stirring occasionally for a few minutes. While the onions are sautéing, let's prepare the beets. I peeled and washed 4 medium-sized red beets. Slice them into thin rings using the slicing tool again. Add them to the sautéed onions. Continue to sauté for a few more minutes. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, pour in 1 cup of water. Mix, cover the pan, and let the beets cook until they soften and absorb all the water. During cooking, remember to stir occasionally. Once the beets are cooked and have absorbed the water, remove them from the stove and let them cool. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dressing for our meze. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard into a mixing bowl. Add the juice of 1 small lemon and half an orange. Add 1 teaspoon of honey. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add a few sprigs of finely chopped parsley and mix well. Add the completely cooled beets to the mixture and combine thoroughly. Then transfer the meze to a serving plate. As you can see, with its easy preparation, it is both a health booster and an incredibly delicious meze. You can store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. If you watched my video until now and liked it, you can support me by liking, commenting, and sharing. Thank you for watching and for your interest.